Okay, so we were discussing about the polynomials. We have discussed in our previous classes the graphs of the polynomials. Okay, we discussed about the remainder theorem, about the factor theorem. Then we find the relation between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial and the linear and the cubic polynomial. Now today, let us solve few more questions which are based on this topic. Okay, okay. Question is, what must be added? What must be added? What must be added to 3x cube plus x square minus 22x plus 9 so that the result is so that the result is exactly divisible by so that the result is exactly divisible by so that the result is exactly divisible by 3x square plus 7x minus 6. That is our question. What must be added to this polynomial so that the result is exactly divisible by 3x square plus 7x minus 6? Now let us come to the solution of this question. How we will solve this question? Okay, so let us assume let the polynomial b is equals to p of x. If we denote this polynomial by p of x, then it can be written as 3x cube plus x square minus 22x plus 9. Okay, now since this polynomial expression is not divisible by 3x square plus 7x minus 6, it means there is some remainder which remains after dividing this polynomial p of x by the given polynomial, that is g of x is equals to 3x square plus 7x minus 6. So, finding the expression which must be added to this polynomial so that our result is exactly divisible by the gx. What we will do? We will just divide the px by gx. Then the remainder is our answer. Okay. So, for dividing one polynomial expression by the second polynomial expression, we will use the long division method. Okay. So, here we are going to just use the long division method. So let us solve this question. So we will divide 3x cube plus x square minus 22x plus 9 by 3x square plus 7x minus 6. Now when we will divide the first term 3x cube by 3x square, okay, it goes to x times. Now we will multiply the x by the whole term and we will write it like this, that is 3x cube, second term is plus 7x square minus 6x. Okay, we have written the terms of x cube below x cube, x square terms with x square, and the terms of x is with x. Now if we will subtract this, we change the sign, minus, minus and plus. Now 3x cube and 3x cube can cancel out. Now minus 7 is x square plus x square. It is equals to minus 6x square, and it is equals to minus 16x, and the remaining term is plus 9. Okay, now we will divide the first term minus 6x square by 3x square. Okay, and the quotient is, that is minus 2. Okay, it goes to minus 2 times. Now we will multiply minus 2 by the whole expression and we will write the terms below this expression. So it is minus 6x square, okay, then minus 14x, then plus 12. Okay, if we subtract this expression from this expression, that is plus, plus and minus, the first term cancel out and the second term is minus 2x minus 3. Okay, now that is the remainder. Okay, now when we divided this expression, the remainder is equals to remainder equals to minus 2x minus 3. Now our question was what must be added to the given polynomial so that it is divisible by the given polynomial 3x square plus 7x minus 6. Okay, so for divisible, what we want that the remainder should be equals to 0. So for remainder to be equals to 0, it must be cancel out. So the term expression, so we can write so opposite of remainder, that is so 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 must be added so that result is exactly divisible. So that the result is exactly divisible. Exactly divisible. Okay, so by this way we will solve this question. Okay, now we come to the next type of question. Again the similar type of question. Okay, let us solve one more question. That is, what must be subtracted? Our next question is what must be subtracted? What must be subtracted from? What must be subtracted from x cube minus 6x square minus 6x square minus 15x plus 18. Okay, what must be subtracted from this expression so that the result is so that the result is exactly divisible by so that the result is exactly divisible by x square plus x minus 12. That is our question. Now we come to the solution of this question again. How can we solve this question? Again, let us assume the given polynomial expression p of x, that is equals to x cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 18. Okay, and the second expression, let it be equals to g of x. It is equals to x square plus x minus 12. Now again our question, what expression must be subtracted from the p of x so that the result is exactly divisible by g of x? Again, since it is not divisible by g of x, it means there is some remainder. So again we will use the long division method. We will find the remainder and that expression must be subtracted to get it to be exactly divisible. So again we will use the same procedure, that is long division method. Okay, so we will divide x cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 18 by x square plus x minus 12. Okay, now how can we divide this? First term, when we will divide the first term, x cube by x square goes to x times, we multiply by x, then x cube plus x square minus 12x. Now if you subtract this expression from the whole expression, negative negative and plus, x cube gets cancelled out and it is equals to minus 7x square and that is equals to minus 3x and the remaining term is plus 18. Now we will again divide the first term minus 7x square by x square, quotient is minus 7. Okay, and if we multiply the whole bracket by minus 7, we get as minus 7x square, that is minus 7x minus 84. If you subtract this from this, plus and plus, again 7x square cancel out and the expression is, that is 4x minus sorry, in the question there is some mistake. We have written by mistake here. Okay, this expression, it is not 18. This expression is equals to 80, equals to 80. So we will have some correction. Okay, 80. In our question also, let us make some correction. Plus 18 plus 80. Okay, now we come to the solution of this question. So there was a mistake. Okay, now when we will subtract this equation, 4x plus that is plus 4. 4x plus 4. It is not minus 84. It is that is plus 84. That is plus 84, and we will subtract, the sign change to minus 4, and here also comes out with 4x minus 4. So here we can write that remainder is equals to, again we can write remainder is equals to 4x minus 4. Now what we want in our question, that this expression should be divisible by the x square plus x minus 12. So remainder should not be there, means so 4x minus 4 must be subtracted, must be subtracted. Okay, so that's for today. We will discuss a few more questions in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.